I hear
That
noise.
counts.
Well, I caged you out here yesterday for him.
Look at this.
And this dude right here that's coming in is a fucking champion.
Make sure that you know, you're not right in front of them.
Get out of the road, Hippie.
Scare the hell out of them.
Well, get out of the road.
Hey! Hell yeah!
Don't fall over.
Oh, he's.
Hey! Whoa! Hey!
Oh, stop! Stop! All right, turn it off.
I'm sorry.
That's all right.
No, you don't.
Fetty, you should have left him at the store.
Just a minute, let me get the ticket.
Hang on, move your foot, I can get it. I got it. Right there.
It's the bike.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I think I've got it.
Thank you.
Quite a problem on the front end.
Yeah.
Yeah.
About 2 days for this, and it's really bad now.
Once you get off of the bike, have your picture.
Yeah.
Time stamp.
Sorry.
Then you
As
get
you go
red.
down, the wheel starts going like that.
Nothing to be
Did you
sorry
see
about,
that?
brother.
Congratulations. Thank you.
You made it.
Thank you so much, you guys.
He's like, Fetty, you should have left me at the store for a couple hours.
To meet you. I went to your dealership to get my bike fixed. They were telling me about you.
Oh, is that right?
From Beartooth.
Yeah, yeah, they
Good to meet you.
sponsored me,
I talked to you.
yeah.
I talked to Paul. We
Yeah.
watched you, tracked you while they were getting my bike fixed.
Oh, yeah.
Glad you made it,
Oh,
man.
nice to meet you. What's your name? Tippy? Glad to meet you. Where are you from? All right, cool.
Yeah, so you get back.
My dream to be
Phoenix makes his way in here. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
I only got in here, what, 2 months ago or something. I mean, maybe an hour ago.
I worked hard.
Oh, I know.
At
Boy,
least I had
this is a clean one.
here it is. I couldn't see, that's why I didn't come in with Chip.
Oh, well, that's cool.
Yeah,
I like this
crappy-
one. This is nice.
Crappy windshield on here.
Oh,
So you just
so how you doing?
So I locked, so 50 miles back I had to pull off, and that's when Chip came in.
Ah,
You know, and
Yeah.
I pulled off and I had some water and I was just so frustrated I couldn't see. It was dangerous. I thought, you know what, the windshield's the biggest problem, so I took it off and rode in.
you ride over it?
Huh? It's right here.
Oh, it's back behind you. Oh,
Yeah.
because I would have thrown it in front of me and ridden right on it.
I should have.
Well, congratulations.
Hoka Hey.
All right.
Get a couple pictures and you go get
Hang on
you
a
some
minute,
good
brother.
sleep.
Yeah, you
We
got
gotta
some
get some
good-
pictures here.
You need to get Fed to ride it up there for you.
Now, if you want to walk that way, one of us will take your bike over and park it.
Stuff in front of you.
You done made it?
Man, this is the heaviest thing I've ever.
And then besides that, my back is all stood up.
Well,
Hi,
welcome
Beth.
back.
How are you?
I'm good. Here, I need you to hold
So,
your official time card.
what are we
for me
thinking
while I
here?
Get your picture.
Your time card. We need one in the front and one from the side.
Don't worry about that.
Don't worry about that, Gut.
Can't see
Wait
the
a minute,
finish
wait a
line
minute, wait a
behind you, but
Smile. There you go. Oh, good one. Christmas card.
I don't have to hold my stomach.
It's a Christmas card.
It's kind of empty.
One more.
Yeah, got one more picture here. You got to hold that up.
Oh, man.
Fucking badass.
Oh, jeez.
Calm down.
I got it.
Hoka Hey. Hoka Hey.
Okay, hey.
Okay, hey.
Hoka Hey.
got
All
it.
right.
Yeah.
Good.
Amazing.
Sweet. Thank you.
You're amazing, man. Made it though.